Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial video. So if you watch this type of channel like stick figures animation videos like the Simple Easy channel or the Blurred channel, this type of channel are very easy to create. So if you go to this type of channel and if you're already viewers of this channel, you can see they're getting thousands of views with this creating this type of simple easy stick figures videos. And if you go to the other channel like the Blurb, and if you go to the popular section, you can see they're getting millions of views with this, and this channel's only uploaded 72 videos and they got 100k subscribers. Also this channel's uploaded 29 videos and he got 80 subscribers. So I'm going to show you how you can also create this type of videos with AI for free. And once you get the pattern of creating this type of video, it will only take 2 to 4 hours to create a video. So you can create this type of video in just one day. First of all, I'm going to show you the result that I'm going to create a video. So let's just watch the result. Then I'll teach you how to do this.
One day, you're going to wake up and realize that the life you're living today is the result of every small choice you made in silence. And in that moment, you'll hear a voice inside you whisper, "I wish you started earlier." But that voice is coming from your future self, and they're begging you to listen now.
So if you have watched the result video, if you watched that video, actually I didn't even create that video. I'm going to create this video right now. I just edited the video to show you the result first because I already know how to create this type of video with AI. So in the real time, I actually didn't create that video. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step method. So the first rule is you don't just create a random video like you don't just copy and paste it or create a random video topic. You need viral topics. So go to a channel like this and click on popular. What you need to do is just copy the popular video title, copy the popular videos title. Many of them you can select any of them. And after that, you just need to go to ChatGPT. And I have already pasted this title and tell ChatGPT to give many new ideas to create YouTube videos like this. And after that, ChatGPT gave me many this type of title and unique topics to choose to select from. You can see it gave me many topics like this, the video that I'm going to create. And I just randomly pick a title which I like. You can choose any other topic. And I like a number 3 topic. Give me the script of number 3, which is your future self is begging you to watch this, which is kind of triggering title because any curious person will going to click on this video. So this is the script ChatGPT gave me. Now this is the script as you can see. Now you can create it longer if you wish, but for example, I'm just showing you how you can create this type of script and then create the videos. So what I did, the next step here is I just copy the first scene. I copy this and go down because we're going to need images for the scene. And I just paste it, and here I just tell ChatGPT to give me every scene image prompt in stick figure whiteboard style. So this is a very important part. Give me every scene image prompt in stick figure whiteboard style. So we're going to create images for every scene. So you need to copy and paste every scene again and again to get the whiteboard style, cartoon style, just like this type of channel, whiteboard stick figure. ChatGPT gave me every scene image prompt. As you can see, one day you are going to wake up and realize just like the sentence by sentence, and you're going to change every scene so the audience can be boring or they can connect to your video. So first you need to create your voiceover. You're not going to create images and animation. You also need voiceover. So I'm going to show you how you can also create voiceover for free, and you will get quality voiceover like Living Labs. First, I'm just going to copy this first scene. So the next AI application you're going to need is Google AI Studio. For the voiceover, come over to Google AI Studio and choose audio and select Gemini 2.5 Pro. Then after this, go to single speaker audio. So if this is a very complicated step for you, I have already created a video with Google AI Studio how you can create Google AI voice for free. You can watch this video so you can understand how the Google AI Studio work for the voice making. So after coming to this, I'll just paste the script here, and this is the script. And we can also change the instruction style, like what type of emotion or the tone will be your voiceover. You can change that. But for this, I'm just going to give it as default. And here you can change your voiceover. I always like this type of voiceover. You can also listen to this.
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
So I'm going to choose this voiceover and just going to run, and it will start to create the voiceover for me. So for example, I'm just showing you this short little script. You can paste all the text here and then paste it. And if you have any problem with the text, like if you want to change it, you can change it here and then just give it to the run. So our voiceover has been ready, and let's play it.
One day, you're going to wake up and realize that the life you're living today is the result of every small choice you made in silence.
So if you hear the voiceover, it's pretty good. And now you're going to download it. Just go to this three dot icon and you can see there's the download option. Click on this download. And I've just made the voiceover. Now we're going to create the images or the short scene for every scene that you create on the video. So as you can see, these are the prompts that I get. The next step is also very important. We're going to create images for free, and also you need a unlimited free AI images for this. So we're going to copy this text for the first thing. And the next thing we're going to use is Whisk AI. Now, if you don't know how to use Whisk AI or don't know anything about it, it is free and unlimited. It's a product by Google. You can watch this video and you'll know how to use this for free and unlimited time. And also you can edit images with free and unlimited time without watermark. This will give you no watermark. So we're going to create images now. Just paste this prompt and select the 16:9 ratio and click submit. And this will create two images. But we're going to, as this is free and unlimited, we're going to paste this again and again and again to get the best image for our video. So Whisk AI give us the exact images like the videos that we show in YouTube. And if you like any image, like I like this image, so I'm going to download it. And this way, I'm going to create every scene images for the video. Now, I have downloaded all the images, and also the voiceover audio is now on my video editor. Now, you can use any type of video editor like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Code, but for this simple video, I'm using Filmora 9, which is an 8-year-old software. And this is the easiest video editor I can find on internet. I also work with this. That's why I select this to show you. But you can use any other video editor. But if you don't know how to edit videos, you just need to learn the simple basic editing from YouTube tutorial videos. First you have to go to watch these YouTube tutorial videos. So I have downloaded all the images and have voiceover. If I play the voiceover here.
One day, you're going to wake up and realize that the life you're
So you have to just match all the images with the voiceover here. But for this, I'm just going to do the sample color in Filmora 9, and first I'm going to select the sample color to cover all the video. So we can also add summation if you want to, and title. So now I'm going to put all the image according to the voiceover. So this is going to be the first image.
One day, you're going to wake up and realize that the life you're living.
So change the images as the voiceover, also change the context.
To wake up and realize that
like this. This is the scene for the next image.
the life you're living today is the result of every small choice.
And after that, you can also edit, like give transition to your video, like this. For this, you need to really learn the basic editing for any software. And also, you can give title to your video, and also you can give text to your videos, just like this. So I'm just going to edit the whole video right now to show you step by step that you can also do this, and it's very easy. So it's going to be fast forward. You can watch this fast forward also.
One day, you're going to wake up and realize that the life you're living.
So I just edit a small video to show you that this is good. This is the video is going to look like. Now you can edit more, like you can give more sound effects and more other things one by one, and this will take time for the first time. After when you creating one video, two video, three video, four video, and then you'll see this is very easy to create. Here comes the main part, the most important part, because I showed you the step by step to create these videos, and you should create this type of helpful video to help others, so you can also feel good and also get help from a video. Please don't use this AI to create brain rot type videos or the meaningless videos that don't help others. And this also you can see, and also you can see people are liking this type of video because most of the people are today's are need help and they like helpful videos. So that's it, guys. Maybe my videos are not that fancy editing or in this video that I showed you, but I show you the main important things. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.